My name is Alison Jones. I am a clinical assistant professor in the School of Education. So I teach a variety of things in the School of Education. My primary responsibility is working with our secondary ed majors. I head up the secondary internships and help with our students as they are experiencing those internships in their junior year at UE, and just going out to the classrooms, and they're actually involved in the classrooms. And then on Thursday nights we come together and we have a seminar and talk about what's going on in their experiences, and talk about best practices and things that they can do in their classrooms to make this an even more rewarding experience for themselves and their students. And then I also teach the Introduction to Working with Students with Exceptionalities class. So all of our students take a class that exposes them to students with varying exceptionalities, and so I get to teach that. I try to involve my students as much as possible. Theory is amazing in education, and it is the cornerstone of everything we do. However, the real-world application is the most important thing, especially for future teachers. So I provide them opportunities to try out different strategies or different tools that they might use in their classroom, so they can then go into a classroom environment with a pre-built teacher toolkit. So they can go in and be able to deliver high-quality instruction and have things in their back pocket when things don't always go the way they're supposed to, because that happens in education. Believe it or not, I'm an introvert. So what I love is the one-on-one conversations with students. Although I think when I get in front of a classroom, I can be outgoing and I can, draw the students in with what I'm talking about. However, it's those personal connections with the students, and I try to take the time to get to know each student. And I think that's one of the things that makes UE so special, because we have the opportunity to connect with our students. I know all of my students by name. I know a little bit about some of them. I know a lot about others. The close-knit connection we have with our students is amazing. Coming into the School of Education, we provide so many opportunities for our students to get out into schools and see what education really is. And just seeing their joy when they actually get to put everything that they're learning at UE into action in their classrooms it is incredibly rewarding. I think most teachers come into teaching because we want to connect with people. We want to pass on what we know, and we want to connect with people. And at UE, I have an amazing opportunity to connect with these amazing young people who are going to go out and be just tremendous teachers.